Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to tablet Navitel T787. Firstly, open Play Store on both and install free app called Send Anywhere. When your app is ready, open it. Then, in order to use it, do exactly the same on both devices. Click on I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the other one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can choose Not Now if you wish to. Then close it by tapping on OK. Finally, click on Send at the bottom left corner of your Android and Receive next to Send at the bottom of your tablet. Now you need to click on all of those categories at the top on an Android smartphone and click on those type of dots at the top left corner to select all of your files from this category. You can also just click on the chosen ones. In my case, this one photo. When you're ready, click on Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then choose Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and pick the best connection way for you. If you wish to scan the QR code, tap on the scanning icon next to Input key. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your tablet's camera at the code. You can also just input this key in Input Key section and then choose Receive button. As you can see, after that, I need to select one of those options to set up the best one for ads. Yes, I agree, or no thanks. Then tap on Close this window, and as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!